Hey lovelies, welcome to my channel. This is Mama Triple and I'm going to show you how I made these cherry frozen cubes. You are going to love it. Don't miss this video for anything. So here are all my stuff that I need for this recipe. I have some cherry which I've already washed. I have my ice cube mold, ice cube tray, and I've got some water as well. So first of all, I'm going to try to cut the cherry into pieces, like into tiny chunks or little chunks. And after that, I'm going to put it in the ice cube tray. And yes. And if you try this method, please don't forget to share it, leave it in the comment section, tell me what you think about it. Remember, summer is very good to do stuff like this. Okay, you can add it to your water if you want to drink it. It is refreshing and it gives you that good aroma and cherry taste. Yes, so after doing that, I put it in the ice cube tray. So now I'm going to add water to it. And after adding the water, I'm going to let it in the freezer. I'm going to let it freeze. And as you can see, that's how it looks like when it's frozen. Okay, so I just brought it out from the freezer. Now I'm going to put it in my water. You can put it in your water, in your juice, in your Fanta, and any other soft drink. It is very good. So that's how I made this delicious, refreshing cherry cubes you are seeing here. Please don't forget to share this video, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe and help me to comment also and like. All right, I'll say bye for now and see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.